So I'm really looking forward to presenting this session on mSpiraling. It's an absolute privilege to have shared conversations with Grant Soosalu, the co-developer of mBIT, and he was a true polymath. He was interested in so many things, and when we got talking about the Graves Helical developmental model and evolving values, he just lit up with the possibilities of how this could synapse onto mBIT. So that's what we talked about, and we realized that actually there were possibilities and ways that we could bring the two together and really put in some of the neurological bases from the Graves Value model, and as well as a few NLP metaprograms, and also the how the multiple brain modes actually influence which of the neurological intelligences and how Graves values actually show up. So when you come along, what you're going to be learning is some existing stuff mixed with some new stuff, particularly around how we can meet our clients in their model of the world even more effectively, and also, as well as working with them ontologically, how we can actually evolve our own ontology. We're working in an emerging, accelerating world. So we have to do the same for ourselves in order to meet those extra challenges. So if you're looking for some exploring, for some uncharted territory, then please come along. Really looking forward to meeting you at mSpiraling at the NLP conference.